Today I am going to explain you about the keyset cursor in the cursors. Actually, this keyset cursor, it can what does it cursor does is it moves only from the first to the last row or from the last to the first row. Means it will go from first to last or last to first. That's it. The key cursor goes. Actually, this key here I have written a keyset cursor. See, I have declared a variables and I have done here keyset1. I have opened the data. This is the data which I have in this employee group details table. Here I have opened the cursor. I have fetched the data from there and I have wait for a delay like actually in this keyset cursor, the insert operations on the table, what is the base table it has, it does not affect. And when other things like modifications like delete and update operations that are done into the base table can be detected here. In this, here I will explain you that how it does not affect this insert and how the update and delete will be affecting. See here, I have see, now I am going to execute this cursor with the delay see, now I have executed here. See, the first thing is cursor is open, and the other thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a row with the employee ID 10. See, you can see this one, like if I select employee group details, see, this is the 10th row is inserted, like 10th one is employee ID with the 10 is uploaded. See, that one if I open here, see the cursor is running, like after opening the cursor I have inserted the data, like the employee ID with 10 is there. See, we will see whether that cursor is like it's whatever the modifications what I have inserted, that is reflecting here or not. See, it is not reflecting. Means after opening the cursor, the insert option, whatever the data is inserted, that is not reflected here. The other thing is, if you want to check like whether the delete and update options are done, see, first I will do, I am opening the cursor and executing that. See, now the cursor is open and then I am going to update this. See, I am updating like employee ID with 9. Employee ID with 9 is Arvind. He has employee salary as 25 and I am now updating into the 45. See, if I execute this, see, 45. Arvind with the employee salary is 45. And then if you want to see here, see employee ID with the 9. With the employee ID with 9, his salary will be now 45. If you want, you can check. And the other thing, whatever we have inserted before, that one is affecting now. Here you can see now it has taken. See, employee 10 is also there, has come. Means what, after the cursor opening, whatever the modifications that we have done in the table, like inserting, that will not reflect here. But whatever the modifications, like for employee ID 9, I have updated to 45,000 salary. So that is affecting, like delete and update options are modified here in this keyset cursor. And the other example also I will explain you, like how the delete one will do. See, now I again I will execute this one. Here if you want, see, now the cursor is open. Then if I see delete the employee ID with 10, see, now the data is not there, like employee details table 10 is not there. It's employee ID with the 10. So now if you see here that in key set cursor, that delete option is also it will also work. Means that the thing is in this insert operation and will not reflect, but both delete and update operations will reflect here. The other thing is SQL key set cursor is it has to be like a with a unique key, otherwise the cursor will act like any other static one. See here the deleted, here is the employee ID with 10 has been deleted. This actually this here employee ID is an primary key, means it will be both unique key and a not null key, so it works as an like in otherwise if it is not there, it is a static cursor. Means it is a static cursor means the result set is always where from first to from whatever the modifications to it is not done to this base table will not reflect here. But here employee ID is a primary key, it is a unit, has a it is both a unique and a not null, so it works as a whatever the modifications done like insert except insert, delete and update operations are done here. So this is what a key set about this key set cursor I have explained here. That only this key set it will go from first to last or last to first. That's the key set cursor. Thank you for listening. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my video.